Hello everyone, my name is Sharon and I'm from Singapore. I'm very happy to be given this opportunity to share my story with you. I'm a controlling manager in a German automotive company for 7 years and I'm introduced to Diamond Cutter system by two angels, William and Rachel Wong, and I'm very grateful to them. So during my learning journey in Diamond Cutter, I've attended many workshops and finished 12 levels. And in the past few years, I have practiced the life tools that I've learned in the workshop. So first, let me talk about my work. I used to be a person who has many job hops, and I used to change 13 jobs in 10 years. Can you imagine how bad my work experience is? I used to be very arrogant and very complain a lot about my work and my colleagues. And during my first year in this current company, bad things start to happen. My colleagues start to ignore me and they don't talk to me. So it affects my work performance. So I really love this job and I decided to change it myself. So I attended level 1 to 3 in 2016. And I start to use the life tools that I learned in level 1 to 3, and I know that things actually comes from me. So I start to change myself. I behave the right thing, the right way that I should behave, and treat the people that I want to be treated. So I start to see things change, and my colleagues start to talk to me, and we can actually volunteer together. And now, it's very amazing that I'm in this current company for 7 years. Okay, then something really amazing happened just last week. My boss actually gave me an increment letter, which usually we only receive in December, but I'm having it 6 months earlier than the expected. So he's very happy with my work performance, and I'm very happy to work with the company. So I know after learning level 4 and 5, I know that we can actually upgrade our partners. So I start to use the life tools that I learned in level 4 and 5, a perfect relationship, and I start to plant seed. And very amazingly, my husband also learned Diamond Cutter system with me, and he attends study group with me. So currently now he's actually volunteering in this system as interpreter together with me. My relationship with my kids and my husband actually improved a lot because I actually involve my kids doing yoga and doing charity work, and they are happy that their mom changed a lot. So I would like to encourage everybody not to miss this opportunity to learn level 1 to 3 and 4 and 5 and be in this system, and you will see amazing things happen around you. Yes, thank you.